Here we are.
Welcome to our channel, Our Time to Fly. I'm Peter.
I'm Jennifer.
We're here at Splash RV Park in Milton, Florida. This park is a very fancy park in the world of the RV parks. This park has a water slide, a lazy river, 2 pools,
both heated,
a hot tub,
a nice big grand lodge with a big old TV in it,
and lots of spaces with lots of space between them. We've been here for a week, started on Saturday and we're leaving on Sunday.
So ready to go home.
The park offers many different activities for people to do. They have some activity every day.
There's cornhole tournaments, there's crafts for the kids, there's during football season, if your team's up at halftime, you get a free drink.
Yeah, they have that for NFL football and college football. And
it's any drink, not just beer.
Not just beer or water. So here they also offer some cabins to rent, and they have some wagons and a teepee.
We're gonna try and get into the teepee and the wagons and possibly a cabin to show you what they look like. We're gonna walk around.
We'll show you some of the sights in the park. As you can see here, this is just one of their back-end sites. And here they have more back-end sites over there. As you can see, many different RV types are here this weekend.
And if you have a bus, they have these big sites off here to the left that they actually just pull straight in. And there are propane fireplaces for you to use, and they all look into the little pond that they have over there.
Right. They have fountains in their pond, and they have sites marked A, B, C, D, E.
Which is all the different loops that they have.
Right, they have many different loops here with many different options.
So we found out that you don't want to do too close to I-10 because there's a lot of noise.
Right. We found out that you
want to get closer to the woods area where it's nice and quiet.
Right, you'll want to be in the loop that's D loop, and try and stay out of A or B loop, because A and B loop you can hear all the traffic from I-10 24 hours a day. So, but our experiences here have been that we've enjoyed the pools and the clubhouse, the lazy river.
We got to watch the Jags game. Woohoo!
Yeah, we watched
won.
the Jaguars game, and we watched Monday Night Football up here. Thursday Night Football was at the Tiki Bar and not in the clubhouse.
And it was cold.
And it was cold and breezy and rainy that night. So activities to do around Splash is there's the Gulf Shores National Seashore, which is a beach between Navarre and Pensacola. And
Pensacola Beach, there's a dog beach.
They have a dog beach in Pensacola. They actually have 2 dog beaches, a dog beach east and a dog beach west. And both of them are good for looking for shells. So as we walk around the park here. No roadside talk.
Yeah, there's storm door or a screen door. I see. Here's the storm door that has the thing you can move it down. That has a screen door. They're heavy. Yeah.
Hers is
That
a
way we
monster.
can open, have the front door open and have
So over here are going to be some of the cabins, as you can see, and they do decorate for the holiday season. Here they have pumpkins out on hay bales. They have pumpkins decorated with hay bales here next to the cabins, and the cabins are air conditioned climate for all year. Then these are back here in the C section are the quiet area for to stay away from the road. You don't hear the road as much back here as you do if you're in section A or B. So as you can see, we're now with the sun to our back as our shadows have grown long in the day. So this is the clubhouse. Right. This is the clubhouse here, and at Splash they do rent golf carts for anybody who would like to rent one instead of having to walk around or ride a bicycle.
They also have food trucks, one for breakfast and dessert, one for your main dishes. They have music every Friday and Saturday night.
Live music going on tonight in here.
They have the beer garden.
They have, yeah, the beer garden, food trucks. This is where the pools are in there.
We're gonna go find out if we can get into one of the wagons to check them out inside to see what they look like, and inside the teepee.
Right. And they have parking outside the lodge. If you don't want to walk or ride a golf cart or ride your bike, you can drive your car over here and park outside the lodge.
Sorry about the sun.
Yeah, sun's going down.
It's really cold during the college games. They have college flags out front here. And during the NFL games, they have NFL flags out in the breezeway.
Yep. So this park has only been open for a little bit over a year here. And
there's also a gift shop, a arcade for the kids, which gives tickets, and that way the kids can get their own little toys.
So here's the arcade in here. As you can see, they have different games and things of that nature in there. And then they have a gift shop over on that side over there. Okay, so this is the Grand Lodge over here.
Football games on.
And so they have football on in here, as you can see. And you can bring your drinks in and enjoy the game that you want on TV. As you can see, Florida's winning right now over, oh, no problem, South Carolina. Do you want to go that way? I just don't want to get along the video.
While we were here listening to the music last Saturday night, it was actually Kobe Swift. He was on American Idol, and he was really good.
Yep.
He was heading to Tennessee the next day to do a recording.
We have the Tiki Bar right there, and behind the Tiki Bar is the lazy river. Okay, I'm trying not to. Right there, as you can see, just goes around in a circle. It's a nice, cool little river. And then in the background, you can see that there is a water slides for the kids to have a good time. Pad for the kids. As you can see, it's a nice little pad. The little kids can come and play and stay nice and cool in the summertime. It's really neat.
Lodge the one day, they actually had us making our own fluffernutter sandwiches. It was really yummy.
And then here around the water slides in the area here, they offer miniature golf. So lots of fun little things to do here. Keeps lots of activities to do.
Lots of stuff for the kids to do.
So, and then
really quiet during the week.
As you can see, there's the mini golf, and it goes around the splash pad. The pool area, you're going to come into the wagons that they offer here, and Here are the wagons. The wagons all have air conditioning in them. They have their own little bathrooms, changing station, laundry room, things like that for you to stay in while you're there, to use while you're there. In the wagon circle, they have a big fire pit. And then they have a teepee in here also. So, this is what we have. Here's the fire pit right there. And then there's the wagons. As you can see, they're all circled like they would be in the olden days around the fire. And then here's the big teepee. The teepee, they do activities in the teepee. There's nobody sleeping in the teepee. So, as we can see in here, this is the teepee right here. In there. In the past and told us that this place is so fancy that they're fancy enough to water the water. So here's a picture of their lake water in their own water. So they do have outdoor swings here that you can swing on that are available to all the people at the park. These are all around the lake. They have some extra picnic tables and things of that nature to be able to enjoy yourself while you're here at the park.
So, needless to say, we did have a good time here, although we are ready to go home. We had a great time. There are plenty of things to do for you and your kids. There's museums to go to, there's the beaches to go to.
So Jennifer and I, we've been married for 20 plus years.
21.
And we started about 2 years ago when we purchased an RV and getting out and having fun. And our goal is to start working from the road. And this doing YouTube is for us, and for us to be able to share our experiences with our family that lives back in Jacksonville.
And Seattle, and Pennsylvania, and South Carolina, North Carolina, all over the place.
And so this is what our YouTube, what we want to do on YouTube.
Not necessarily reviews of parks, but to just let people know where we are, what we're doing, how we're doing. And it'll be a little bit of this, a little bit of that. You'll probably see our puppy dog in here somewheres. But we're just out to have a good time.
Yep. And so we do travel in a fifth wheel. It's a Winnebago Voyage. We've had it now 2 years. And it has all the amenities and things that we need to do when we want to travel. So I hope you join us in the future. Look for other videos and just follow along and see where we go.
Don't forget, it's our time to fly.